Welcome to the Prompting Academy by Supio, where we're breaking down the barriers between legal professionals and AI. I'm Bav, a licensed attorney, customer support representative, and the Prompting Academy instructor. In this academy, you'll learn practical prompting techniques that work right away. No engineering degree required. You'll see how easy it is to get powerful results from AI with just a few words. Here's what most people don't realize. You already know how to prompt AI. If you've ever asked someone a question, given directions, or explained what you need, you can prompt AI. The difference is knowing a few simple techniques that turn good results into great ones. Prompting is a lot like a conversation. Start simple, be specific about what you need, then refine based on what you get back. By the end of this course, you'll master AI prompting, know exactly how to improve any AI response with simple re-prompting, and have prompts that can help you get oriented with your case. We'll be using Supio AI Assistant throughout this course. Don't worry if you've never used it before. I'll walk you through everything step by step. Let's jump right in with your very first prompt. One of the first things our customers do when they get started with a new case is creating a clear, concise summary of the key facts. This sets the foundation for your work on this case. Supio is purpose-built for plaintiff law and deeply understands personal injury documents and workflows. Let's see how you can use Supio AI Assistant to help you get an overview of the case. I'm going to open up my AI Assistant from the homepage, and I'm going to paste in my prompt. Summarize the key facts of Jane Doe's case, including the date and location of the accident, the injuries sustained, the treatments received, and any vocational or life impacts documented in the records. Here's what Supio does. It pulls together all the critical details from the case data into a single, easy-to-read summary. For example, it'll tell you that the accident occurred on December 10, 2020. It'll also outline the location of the accident as the intersection of FM 32 and FM 3424 in Texas, as you can see here. It'll also walk you through the injuries sustained, takes you through the neck and spine injuries, the head and neurological injuries, and any other areas of relevance. It'll also work you through the treatments received. So here we can see emergency care, chiropractic care, injections and pain management, surgical intervention, physical therapy, and medications. As asked, it also works through the vocational and life impacts in this case, and it provides a nice summary at the end. The prompt eliminates the need to manually sift through hundreds of pages of records to get the big picture. It's perfect for associates preparing case memos, paralegals organizing files, or partners who need a quick overview before a meeting. With this summary in hand, you'll have a solid grasp of the case in minutes, not hours. With Supio, you don't need to get your prompts perfect. You can always follow up and refine your prompts to get the output you need. There is really no wrong way to prompt. Just ask it in the way you'd ask your colleagues. Here you can see I've copied and pasted my prompt into the AI chat. The prompt is, summarize Jane Doe's recovery progress, including improvements since the accident, ongoing physical or emotional limitations, and any recommendations for future care or treatment. And I click enter. You can see as it's working through the recovery progress of Jane Doe, it works through the improvements since the accident, ongoing physical and emotional limitations, recommendation for future care or treatment, and a nice summary at the end. And there you have it. In just 2 simple prompts, you've gone from hundreds of pages of case documents to a clear, comprehensive understanding of Jane Doe's case and her recovery journey. Instead of spending hours digging through medical records and treatment notes, you now have everything you need to discuss this case confidently with clients, colleagues, or in court preparation. Effective prompting isn't about being perfect. It's about being conversational and iterative. Notice how our second prompt built naturally on the first? That's the power of treating Supio as your AI legal assistant, not a search engine. Remember, Supio AI Assistant is purpose-built for plaintiff law. It understands your documents, your workflows, and the kind of insights you need. You don't need to learn a new language or become a prompt engineer. Just ask it what you need to know, the way you'd ask a seasoned paralegal or associate. In our next episode, we'll dive deeper into prompts that can help you understand medical records and treatments and find important details with just one prompt.